What are you eating, Vanden?
Mama.
Are you eating raisins? Hey, where's Vincy? Can you talk? You can. What can you say? No? Where's your book at? You're not gonna talk now that I have the camera out? Huh? Vanden, you're not gonna say anything? What are you eating? Can you say I love you? I love you. Okay, can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Love you.